I'm Mark Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics. And as it's dark out here, we're going to start up the 84. That is road legal for the most part, because I got to load that motor in the back of the truck, bring the work and get some work done on it so we can start working on the 67 again, the Bloodhound, because this motor is going in that truck, but we're going to see if that truck cold starts. Obviously not tonight because it's getting dark, but probably tomorrow we get that truck moved over here so we can start getting work done on it again, because she needs a motor. She runs pretty good. I just gotta adjust the choke on her. As you can see, we're starting to get the truck picked out. Beater rings, I got hubcaps for it. Toolbox gotta get screwed down, spare tire. But first I gotta wash this thing off. So now that the motor is out of my garage and that works for me to start rebuilding it, I guess I should get this thing out of its hibernation. It's only been sitting here for three months, well, I guess before the snowfall. So yeah, three months going on 4 before the motor goes into it. So see if she'll start. See how much snow got underneath the hood, because the GoPro is not happy being outside. There's not that much snow. I bet you maybe if I bring the other truck over here, we can boost her and get a little fuel down that carb. Hopefully if the battery in the GoPro doesn't die. Let's see if the battery booster can get this thing. I get my GoPro's old and I get it's cold, but fuck GoPro batteries. They're only lasting me like 5 minutes before the camera dies. Only took me a year to fix this leaky tire because I had to cut that off because this stud is spitting. So I'll get the tire on so we can start taking off this bed, start getting this thing. This thing has not been started since winter. There's my lug nuts. The 4 out of 6 I have left.
Oh, you just need the nuts back on?
Yeah, I don't have to get it off the jack.
Dream. Well, here, what a dream. Yes? But not a dream. It's a dream, it's a dream, it's a dream, it's a dream. Yay! Now he just has to tighten it. I did it.
We're not doing any void maintenance on it anymore. But we still haven't really gone through that conversation that saying cost was $3,500 for the motor. Yeah, definitely. It's on the other side, eh?
Oh, I need to go on my bike. I can do it on
Good old truck. Time to get this box off.